Hi everybody, I am Dr. Suresh Raman, now in Salem. Today we have an interesting guest with us. So before going to meet our guest, before introducing him to the camera, I would like to say a few words about our today's guest on this Engineers Day. Happy Engineers Day to you all. Our guest is having more than 19 years of experience in bridging the gap between industry and academia. He worked for the company called Ansys. Here are his key responsibilities as follows: to initiate Ansys multiphysics platform on student adoption, to work closely with Ansys academic partners and resellers to position Ansys tools for academic syllabus, research community, and industrial projects, to develop more skill development, I underline this word, more skill development centers in South India for Ansys certification facilities to the students community, to establish center of excellence to bridge the gap of academia and industries in the view of skilled manpower and industry consultancy, to introduce Ansys Internet of Things at educational institutions, to enrich skills India, Make in India, Digital India campaign as per guidance of Government of India, to introduce HPC, high performance computing to educational institutions to meet the industry expectations in the field of automobile, aerospace, healthcare, railway, energy sector, nuclear, electrical mobility, etc. The profile is very length. I just got short here. Mr. Prasanna Shankar, Academic Program Manager from Ansys. Welcome, Prasanna. Happy Engineers Day.
Thank you.
So today I am going to have a small interview with him. So I hope this interview will attract you and it will give you a right and good information which is need of the hour. Hi, Prasanna. I'm very pleasure to be with you today, and I have a few questions regarding the current technology and trends. I hope you are the right person which I have picked up.
Thank you, Suresh, for welcoming me.
It's nice meeting you too. I know that basically you are working in Ansys, and Ansys is a 51 years old company. And people rightly think that this particular Ansys is only meant for mechanical or civil engineering. But while I'm just go through all those things through the website and when I was trying to explore about those things, I came to understand that Ansys is having multi-dimensional engineering thought process. I mean, multi-dimensional simulation too.
Yeah.
So throw some insight on that so that the people could understand what really Ansys is, what kind of thing that you can do with the help of this Ansys software. Please throw some insight on that.
Thank you, Mr. Suresh. Thanks for asking this question. So it is very well means like most of the academic institutes still believe that Ansys is a mechanical engineering simulation tool, and they use this for CAE or CFD analysis, means finite element analysis or computational fluid dynamics. But over and above, for your kind information, Ansys in last 20 years, we have acquired more than 35 organizations.
Wow.
And we started with structures in the year 1970. And later in year 2000, we acquired computational fluid dynamics, Fluent software.
Okay.
And in year 2003-4, we started acquiring electromagnetic simulation tools, like HFSS.
So you are in the electrical field also.
Electronics, and also we are, means in 2007 later we started acquiring Maxwell, means machine design, power electronics, implorer tools also. And from 2010, means like semiconductor tools are also incorporated in Ansys simulation. And now later AR, VR, photonics, optics simulation, means impact simulation like LS Dyna. So various other tools like Discovery, 3D simulation tools. These are all the widespread of scaled simulation for embedded DO standard simulation. And also we have a simulation tool for Twin Builder named as Twin Builder for digital twin applications. And we have a simulation software for satellite arbitrary study like AGI, tool name is AGI simulator. And we have a material intelligence library tool, which is, these are all the acquisitions which happened in over last period of 20 years. In recent 3 to 5 years, we have acquired 16 organizations. And this material intelligence tool name is Granta. And this have 7,000 materials inbuilt to the tool. It can integrate well with our multi-basics FEA simulator, and you will be able to come up with various innovative materials for product development.
I could able to understand that Ansys has landed up in each and every part of engineering, like not only meant for mechanical or civil, it has entered into even electronics, electrical. What about e-vehicles?
We see with our EM tools are very well there's multi-physics integration can solve a e-vehicle design itself in our platform. So Ansys mechanical, CFD, EM bundle, and battery simulator. These all things can help to design a EV vehicle in Ansys multi-physics platform.
Okay, I understand. I came to understand that no, it's like a big ocean now, right? Ansys, it's having multiple versatile engineering simulation tool. I can able to understand from your
Industry
detail.
revolution. It is industry revolution 4. Now smart city, IoT, semiconductor boom. So we are it is keeping us to get updated as per the demand of the industry.
Happy to note, Prashna, that you were just elaborated about the area where Ansys has been pinned in. Coming to the next question, like how this particular Ansys software is readily available to the people in terms of research or in terms of learning platforms or in terms of fundamentals, how it's going to help the students.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Your question is related to academia.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Ansys have come up with a academic program globally, and this academic program is very well received at 92 countries. And this program is now quite very old. It's a 10 years old program. Mm-hmm. And Ansys have come up with various licensing policy for students and faculty community. And starting from student license, teaching license for laboratory, research license for research fraternity and group, and associate research for for joint funded project. And we come up with a startup license also for enabling the startup in our country. And also we do have a consultancy license for industry consultancy project. And also particular education institute. We integrated various products of Ansys, and we have given a combination license as campus license, like teaching and research.
Oh.
So this campus license can be hosted in a central server, and all departments can centrally access the license through LAN facility. Okay. So this is the available license which is for students and faculty members to get utilized.
Actually, I came to understand that you have taken, Ansys has taken all initiatives to give this particular kind of knowledge to the, in the research side or the student side. On the other dimension, how it's going to help the students from the rural background?
Yeah. So to reach out to the rural background, Ansys student license is introduced for these students to practice themselves at home, practice themselves at hostel at no cost attached to it. So this is something like it's a basic tool. It will not do all the research level engagements, but at least to start with, to give a motivation to rural students, we have come up with this student license. So most of our physics are covered in student license for student to practice at home and hostels. And similarly, we have introduced 322 courses, free courses for students. And
so you introduced free courses.
Yes, it is.
Absolutely, it is very interesting that you have a 322 free courses, so students can make use of this opportunity to inculcate yourself a kind of skill sets development, which is the required and need of the hour.
Yeah, since our product is very diversified, Ansys understood that there should be a learning aid for students to practice themselves. Rather, giving only the tool will not help. Giving the learning aid material to learn the tool is also very much important. That is the reason Ansys have come up with few courses, bifurcated these 322 courses right now as structural physics courses, fluid physics courses, electronics courses, STEM courses, Python courses, numerical photonics courses. These are all the courses under each of these domains. So students who are expertise in electronics can download our student edition, use this free software. But these are all basic level, second year, third year level, but it will not solve your UG level or PG level project simulation. But at least to start with,
at least you can understand.
For the student who have a financial support, financial aid challenges there, those students, Ansys is trying to support those students to at least start using this platform.
Then that was very happy to hear that you are also going to support the students with the poor background or the lower background, with those who need for financial aids. They can use this particularly as a free software.
So also we have come up with one more MOU with Anna University. This MOU, these courses are whatever I said, 322 courses. This is a free courses without any certification or badges. but this industry to reaching out to the industry for better placement. These certification badges and global certification is very important. So we have come up with courses with badges along with Anna University at very nominal cost.
Yeah, that was the question I want to raise to you.
Yeah.
Now the university has changed the syllabus, entire syllabus, and they are given a lot of verticals,
Yeah.
which is a need of the learning. How this Ansys is supporting into that particular curriculum? So you have any curriculum design incorporated with Anna University, or
Yeah.
how Ansys is helping in building the curriculum and supporting the curriculum in building the skill sets of the students for the rural background?
Thank you, Suresh. Since today we are in Salem, and
Yeah,
this
yeah.
event is on ANSYS Academic Innovation Conference at Salem on 15th September
Yes.
on Engineers Day. So this program is means planned and executed with the specialized Anna University syllabus, which is very advanced curriculum. And I would like to thank Anna University to come up with such advanced curriculum at par with industry requirement. And we are happy to say that means ANSYS tools can incorporate this advanced curriculum. Day before yesterday, we conducted an event in Chennai on ANSYS Academic Innovation Conference. We have addressed this electrical steam, electronic steam, and mechanical steam, and approximately 50 laboratories of the present curriculum is being embedded with ANSYS tools. And we have showcased that to all the faculties, fraternities who have attended in Salem and Chennai conference. Almost 100 colleges have participated in our event, and they got the means widespread idea how to implement this solution. And definitely it is going to enrich our Anna University students and faculty community.
Thank you, Krishna. That was a good initiative you have taken, and you are supporting the almost 440 affiliated colleges of Anna University to inculcate the kind of higher level laboratories into the premises, and which also enhance the students' ability to the current latest trends and technology.
Yeah, it's rightly said, Suresh. This is the need of hour for students also, and this syllabus and initiative by Anna University professors and the board of members is going to impact the society, the students, community, and also the institutions in a very big way. And it is going to help the students to be at par with industry standards. And I request all the institutions in the state to means embed this ANSYS multi-basic simulation part of your laboratory, which will benefit you in a very long run.
Practical learning is always good success for any engineer,
Yeah.
and this particular curriculum was designed in that way. I could able to witness that curriculum. I have just gone through that also. And my next question is, like, on behalf of the viewers, what kind of certification that ANSYS is providing for the students community, or for any educators background, or for the research background?
Yeah. Thank you for asking this, Suresh. See, we have two type of certification in ANSYS. So our overall certification program is named as ANSYS Innovation Space. So in this we have two such courses: ANSYS Learning Hub and ANSYS Innovation ANSYS Innovation courses. So ANSYS Learning Hub, we have it is for means a very advanced level, PhD level, and also for means industry related means training, learning and training aid is ANSYS Learning Hub. So this we have embedded with means IIT Madras certification program, which is specifically specialized on 5G and EV simulation. So there is a course running with IIT Madras, and we are successfully running this program from last 2 years, and we have a very nice good response on this ALH based course. And we provide software part of the program, and means IIT Madras is extensively supporting us to execute the program. And thanks to IIT Madras and CADFM team for means executing this program. Secondly, this AIC program is a means basic level program for UG level students. It's a video based learning and assessing themselves and practicing it. So practicing and assessing. So video learning, practicing in the tool, and assessing themselves. So this is the formula of this AIC program. So this have two different type of certification. One is badge certification. That is what we have announced with Anna University. We will execute the joint program with Anna University AUFRC Center.
Okay.
Badge certification. Post the students completing this batch, they are eligible to do 3 certifications: professional certificate, associate certificate, and simulation certificate. So these 3 certificates are globally recognized certificate like
Wow.
ALX program. So any students who want to become a FEA engineer, who want to become a fluid dynamics engineer or a electromagnetic engineer on high frequency or low frequency domain, they can choose the right courses and they can go for batch courses first, and parallelly they can complete this batch courses and apply for this professional certificate. So this professional certificate will give recognition to the students, and these certificates and badges can be posted on their respective LinkedIn profile. And this will be means like Ansys have a wide customer base. We have more than 60,000 plus customers globally. And means in Ansys forum, these customers are connected with us in LinkedIn. So the students who post these badges and these certificates definitely have a edge to better than other student community to get better placement.
When we talk about the placement, I have another question to you right now. We are discussing about placements. I have another small question. Normally, people will think about when we go for core engineering, normally the salary will be in the mid level or something. When a particular student is taking these kind of certification courses, as you said, what kind of the salary that because every student is looking for a placement at the end of the 4-year degree or 5-year degree or any degree. What kind of the salary or the tax and allowances that a particular candidate can expect?
Yeah, see, Suresh, since I'm from a core engineering background, and means from with my experience of last 18-19 years, core engineering jobs are more oriented towards what we study, and
Absolutely.
And it is what you studied is going to be implemented on field.
Yes.
So these core engineering jobs at starting level means when you get a job in an industry, so it will be at moderate level.
Yeah.
But when you become experienced 2 years, 3 years, then your demand increase in the particular industry.
Okay.
So your demand, say example, say after 3 years or 4 years of your experience in core industry, there is a chance you will get 100% hike on what you have been offered as moderate salary that time.
Exactly, rightly said.
And if you look at 10 years, I have seen people 15 years, 20 years in the same core industry get 5x or 10x salaries also because of the experience and the expertise they have on the core engineering field.
Rightly said.
I request all the students also, so kindly try to join the core engineering companies. If you are a mechanical engineer, if you are an electrical engineer or electronics engineer, means if you get an offer from core engineering, even it's right now it is a salary is slightly moderate, kindly accept the offer. There is a high chance you will build your career, and it will be you will have a self satisfaction, and what you studied that you have been implemented in your life.
That was really a fantastic motivation for the young budding minds. Where people are really thinking about low salary or mid salary in the core industry. You rightly said and pointed out you have a 10x salary hike or even 100% salary hike in the down the line. So this you have to understand, student friends, those who are in core engineering or in the nearly future, you have an electronic era. And if you are really interested to learn these kind of softwares or certifications, definitely you can able to reach the greatest heights. At last, I want to put one question on behalf of you. How many companies are really working on this particular Ansys tool? Can you have a small insight on that?
So we have 60,000 customer base globally. So all these 60,000 customers need means like manpower requirement, and also the basic knowledge about the core engineering is very important, and also equal experience is important, and these certification programs will have value. Definitely there are openings there. Only thing, we should be equally competent to apply for this position and secure these jobs.
Right, sir. Anyway, very nice interaction with you, Prasanna. And on Engineers Day, you have given a very good insight to the young budding minds. I hope people will understand and students community will understand this. Try to inculcate yourself at this kind of thought process and try to learn a core engineering in different way with a lot of certifications with answers. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, Prasanna, for your kind.
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you for calling me here.
Thank you.
Engineering is about building things. Things that move us all forward, that bring us together. But the landscape is changing fast. New technologies are rapidly advancing, and universities must respond. Engineering will always be about building things. But if you want to build a career in engineering today, simulation is the future, and Ansys is leading the way. No longer a sophisticated tool of the most experienced engineers, simulation is becoming pervasive in engineering departments around the world. Universities everywhere are also embracing this new reality, partnering with Ansys to bring more powerful simulation solutions into their curriculums, empowering engineering students with the very same product design software they will soon be using in the real world. Much more than a practical teaching tool, simulation is becoming an imperative skill for young engineers, giving students a clear advantage in pursuing the most promising careers. And the future does indeed look promising. For students looking to build a career in engineering, you've come to the right place. Careers begin with Learning Ansys.